Hey chicos, me quedé dormido. Aquí Mr. King, una vez más con la clase de matemáticas. La clase de matemáticas la vamos a estar haciendo en los dos idiomas. Me está sonando el teléfono, pero no importa, seguimos. Les voy a pedir que busquen su cuaderno y que ustedes hagan todo lo que yo haga acá, ¿ok? Les voy a contar una historia, la historia está en inglés. But I want you to follow me, alright? You have 5 seconds to get your notebook. If you need more than 5 seconds, stop this video and get the notebook. And then press play. You wish you can do that in the classroom, right? Sorry. So you have 5, 4, 3, I need more than 3, 3.5, 2, and 1. And it starts. In the land of Gallon, and you know what? I'm going to draw a big G. Because it was in the land of Gallon. There were 4 giant queens. So I'm going to draw this Q for queen, another Q for queen, another Q for queen, another Q for queen, and I'm going to get my smaller Sharpie. Each queen had a princess and a prince. So right here is the princess, right here is the prince. Right here is the princess, right here is the prince. Right here is the princess, right here is the prince. Right here is the last princess and the last prince. Each princess and prince had 2 children. You know what? This one has 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Sea of children, right? 2 children. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Are you with me? Hopefully. If not. Now, the twins, they were 8 years old each. Well, if they were twins, they had the same age. Duh, Mr. King. So let's have an 8 here. And an 8 here. 8 here, 8 here. 8, 8. 8, 8. 8, 8. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. ¿Te gustó mi historia? Because that's the end. You need to watch the story first, and then will make sense later, okay? See you later.